Hey guys, this is Brent Boyer from Adam. So let's talk divorce. I wanted to talk today about the beginning stages of a divorce. You know a divorce is coming, you know things are imminent, and what should you be doing as far as financial issues? Should you be changing your bank account? Should you be closing a joint account and opening a separate account? Should you change beneficiaries on health insurance policies or whatever it might be, life insurance? So the answer to that is really going to depend on what's going on with your situation. Where's the trust level at between you and your wife at this point? Has a divorce case been filed yet? Has there not been one filed yet? When you're looking at changing bank accounts, the idea of I'm going to take my direct deposit from my paycheck, move it from the joint account, set up a separate account, and now I'm going to have a separate account, that's a big decision to be making. It really will be seen as a declaration of war. So you would only do it if it was absolutely necessary. So it depends on your trust level. If you're not getting along and you want to get divorced, but you think the two of you are working things out and you can still be on the same page with what the monthly bills are, what the budget is, what's going on with your paycheck and your wife's paycheck if she's working or whatever you have, then you're good. You could keep the joint account the way it is, keep paying the bills, keep status quo, what they call status quo. So that's what you're looking at with bank accounts and joint accounts and separate accounts. Setting up a separate account can be a pretty extreme move, and it's not going to be necessary in all situations. Now, as far as health insurance and changing beneficiaries or those types of things and changing, you're not going to want to make those kind of changes early on. It's not necessary. It ends up just making you look like the bad guy later. So you just want to be aware of what's going on in your life. What are your monthly bills? You know, it's typical in a relationship that one person knows what the bills are, the other person maybe doesn't have such a good idea what the bills are. If you're the one that has not been paying the bills and you really don't know what they are, it's time to find out. Look at a monthly budget, get a sense of what things cost, what the typical spending is, and then you could feel more comfortable with where your paycheck's going, what's happening to your money. So that's how I would look at that issue at the beginning stages of a divorce. Once a divorce has been filed, there are other issues. There might be a court order that prevents you from changing bank accounts at that point. So then it becomes a little bit too late. That goes hand in hand with our advice that you're really going to want to file first. That's one of the reasons that you would want to be filing before your wife does if a divorce is imminent. But before a divorce has happened and there's these planning stages, that's what you would be looking at as far as bank accounts, beneficiaries, what should you be doing, not doing as far as financial issues. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm at 248-356-2326 or shoot me an email at brentb@bmpclaw.net.